Micah, say hi to Daddy. Say hi to Daddy. Can you say hi? No. Hey. Say hi to Dad. Hi. Can you wave? I guess not. You're too infatuated with the grass. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Son? Son? Hey! Can you look over here? Hey. Ba. Da da da. Can you say da da da? What? Yeah? I love your hat. Okay, say bye-bye. Micah, bye. Bye. Can you wave? Bye. 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 Boo. Boo. You're not amused by that anymore? All right.